Greetings. In this video, we are going to see how you can use rank math for your optimization of your content. So this is our model article. As you can see, this is the title and this is the body of text, the article. So for now, we even only have text there. And every time you put content after you add a post, you'll see here in the top right that rank math has so far ranked this content in terms of SEO 9 out of 100. And as you can see right now, it's in red. So there are a number of things that we need to do so that we can increase that ranking so that our content can rank easily in search engines when people search for it. So very importantly, before even we need to establish what is the focus keyword of this article, meaning that the main thing that is being the main center of discussion or for example of reference in this article, so that it helps you when you need to place that when we come to the rank math. So for this, I think I'm going to go with, let's say, social media strategies, and then we shall be seeing how to implement that. So it's very important to have that at the back of your mind for every article that you are working with. So first, then I'll come here to where there's rank math. I click there. As you can see, it's now bringing me some of the suggestions. So this is where I was saying the focus keyword. Okay, what is the focus keyword of this article? So I'm going to come here and put social media strategies. Okay. Okay. As you can see, so based on what it has brought there, it increases the rank a little bit. Okay. Though it feel it should be better. Let me see if we can just put social media and see. Okay, so when I put social media, as you can see, it has increased. Okay, so basically, this is another good strategy in terms of helping you increase your rank math setting here. And as you can see below, it's still showing different other areas of improvement that you can do. So your title, you're using your focus word in the SEO title, okay, which is the title here, social media, and the focus word keyword is there, which is okay. Then it's saying focus keyword not found in your SEO meta description. Use focus keyword in the URL. Okay. So how do we go now to SEO meta description? So to get there, we come up here and then you come here to edit snippet. Okay. So here again, title. This is where you're going to put your title. Again, here it's always good for your focus keyword to appear in your title. Okay. So you can put here effective strategies. Okay, so there, and then here we have the permalink. Again, you can ensure that the focus word, the focus keyword appears there as well. Then again here in the description. So you give here now a description, as you can see below. This is what will appear, the description when the post shows up in search results. So you make sure you have quite an elaborate description and ensure also the focus word key appears there. Okay, so once you put it up there, okay, then again now you close here, and as you can see, it has increased it to 59%. You can still find search even on different ways on how you can create a good description, but the important thing is for your focus keyword to appear in there. Then focus keyword is not found in the URL. So the URL, this is the like the permalink to get to. Then content is 50. Here from this suggestion, you can add more words, okay, to ensure that this is dealt with, and brings you additional, okay, subheadings. So right about now, these are the different subheadings in the article. Okay, define your goals and audience, choose the right platforms. So of course now the tool is able for it gives its recommendations, but it's also very important as a content writer to stay organic with your content. It's not that it's a complete must that your focus keyword should be appearing everywhere, because again, it's now going to make your content somehow look not as natural and with the right flow. Just find a creative way of how you can add your focus keyword, maybe in some of the heading, subheadings, or even in the body of text, because it will help it to be more searchable. Okay, so for example, in one of the subheadings here, for example, this I can add here, maybe write social media, so that at least it appears in one heading. Okay, so I think I needed to at least make this a subheading so that it can be able to read it. Right now it's still like a paragraph list, so I want to make it a subheading so that it's able to just turn this into a paragraph quickly. Okay, I think I'll add it here. You can put it here. And if I turn this into a heading, as you can see, well, as soon as I turn this into a subheading, on the right there, the part of focus keyword found in the subheadings is now ticked because it has been able to recognize the social that word there. So you make sure this is another recommendation: add an image with your focus keyword as alternative text. So anywhere you'd want to add, let's say, an image, for example, here, picked enter, then I came to add an image. So it's saying add an image with your focus keyword as alternative text. Go that image. So then now I need to add alternative text here. So if I click on this image, to be able to make changes, I'll have to first close here rank math, click on settings, and then now I can add alternative text for this image with the focus keyword as there as well. Okay, and as you can see, the rank math has increased. So the more changes you keep making upon the suggestions here, you'll find that makes it better. So now that is ticked off. Link out, how much you hyperlink, adding internal links. Okay, so hyperlinking is also important as well. If you're able to hyperlink any text, for example, and add, let's say, so that your content gets better. For example, this. So I'll take this link and I'll bring it here, for example, there. Then I hyperlink it. Yes, so now you are linking to external resources. As you can see, it gets better. Then also, any internal links, if you're able to inbound link to any of the content you've done before within, that would also be good. So you find anything that you're able to inbound link with, it's able to increase also your rank math searching. So you search here in among your articles. Okay, for example, you link with that. As you can see, it increases it there as well. Then, of course, this one inbound link, keyword density. Yes, so you make sure you tackle all these. Title readability. Okay, so when your SEO does not contain a number, so you could see maybe 5 effective. Okay, depending on how many there are, because they're saying here it doesn't contain a number. So add a number there. Okay, content readability, short paragraphs. Okay, so you can ensure that you tackle most of these things to ensure that you can increase your ranking to a favorable rate. And I'd also encourage you to watch on different YouTube videos on how to optimize your content with rank math to ensure that you stay updated with the different changes or anything that it's bringing, so that your content is always premium. Okay, and just before this video ends, on the focus keyword here, you're even able to see, if you click here on Google Trends, oh, this is a premium feature. Yes, so if you are using the premium version of that, that's you're able to analyze how much that focus keyword is searched for online. Okay, yeah, but so those are some of the strategies that you can use with rank math to optimize your content. Thank you.